200 silver coins is 612 grams. What is the weight measure? 612 grams. Or if you want to understand in ounces, the nisab for silver is 28 ounce, 28.07 ounces, and the nisab for gold is what did I mention? I'm sorry.
20.
Sorry. No, I mixed it up. It's not 28 ounces. It's 612 grams of silver, and for gold it needs to be 87.5 grams. Okay? So the nisab is what? That person who has silver equivalent to how much? 612 grams. Or he has gold equivalent to how much? 87.5 grams. Or he has a little bit of silver, a little bit of gold, or he has money that equals to 612 grams of silver. What is the current rate for silver right now? Silver right now is approximately 88 cents for a gram. It's approximately 88 cents per gram. Hence, if you multiply 88 by 612, your nisab will be about $600 more or less, plus and minus. So that person who has silver, or he has gold, or he has wealth equivalent to 200 dirhams, which is what? About $600. This person is sahib nisab. What is he called? He's called sahib nisab. Now when a person has that wealth, मैं निसाब के मुतालिक ये अर्ज कर रहा था कि आदमी के पास या तो 612 ग्राम सिल्वर हो जो 52.5 तोला चांदी, या 7.5 तोला सोना जो है 87.5 ग्राम्स बनता है, या आदमी के पास उसके बकदर क्या हो, माल हो, पैसा हो. और उसके बकदर पैसे से क्या मतलब, अभी चांदी का निसाब जो है 88 सेंट्स 1 ग्राम का है, और 612 ग्राम को अगर मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए 88 से, तो आदमी जो है साहिब निसाब लगभग $600 में बन जाता है, मोर और लेस, कमी बेशी के साथ. $600 के अगर आदमी के पास $600 है तो वो आदमी साहिब निसाब शुमार होगा. अगर बाकी शर्तें पाई जा रही हो, यानी मुसलमान भी है, अकल उसके ठिकाने है, और मचूर भी है, और ये सारी बातें, और उसके साथ साथ उसके पास ये $600 है, या उसके पास वो चांदी है, या वो सोना है, और वो 1 साल के बकदर उसके पास रहे. And that wealth needs to stay with this person for 1 lunar year. एक जो है क्या है, कमरी साल, 1 lunar year, this wealth needs to stay with this person. If this person has this wealth for this amount of time, then this person is considered what? This person is considered, he's considered sahib nisab. This person is considered sahib nisab. So this is as far as the nisab is concerned. And nowadays mostly what happens is that we have we do have gold as well. Our women, they have gold, and our they have silver also, and we have some cash money also. So the masala is that zakat will be wajib and compulsory on gold and silver if it is of that amount, meaning it adds up to $600 worth. So if a person has gold and he has money and he has a little bit of silver, you see, because the thing is with gold, the value of gold is extremely expensive right now. The value of gold per gram is approximately $51 right now. The value of gold per gram is approximately $51. And I mentioned silver is approximately 88 cents. So for a person to become sahib nisab, according to the gold standard, which I mentioned is how much? 87.5 grams. That a person will need to have, that a person will become sahib nisab, when he has approximately $4,997, which is a very big nisab. So the lesser of the nisab and the more easier nisab, you see, I don't want to confuse people with a lot of numbers. Sometimes what happens with zakat is that it becomes, sometimes it becomes confusing. I don't want to confuse you with a whole bunch of numbers. Let's make it very simple. You will be considered sahib nisab when you have the nisab of silver. The nisab of silver is 612 grams. If you convert that into cash money, it's approximately $600. Khalas, that's it. If you have $600, forget, 87.5 grams, and, which is obviously, if you have gold, then you need to weigh it. And if you have silver, then you need to weigh it. But nowadays, mostly we have, cash money. So cash money, according to that, when you have $600, you're sahib nisab when 1 lunar year passes over that. Does everybody understand that much? Does everybody understand that much? I want everybody to understand, because there's no benefit in me speaking and the people don't understand. That's useless. Okay. So once you've understood that, the second masala which I want to mention is that zakat will be wajib on gold and silver, regardless of what the form is. Why? Because nowadays you can get gold in the form of jewelry. You can get gold in the form of gold biscuits. You can get gold in the form of blocks. You can get gold in the form of different things. You can get gold in the form of ornaments. You can get gold ornaments also. You can get the gold Kruger coin. I'm sure you've heard of the gold Kruger coin. It's it's the gold coin. You can get silver coins, right? So regardless of what the form is, you still need to give zakat for it. According to some of the other fiqh, if it's jewelry and if the women are not using the jewelry, then they don't need to give zakat. But according to the Hanafi fiqh, regardless of what form it is in, and regardless of whether that jewelry is being used or not, zakat will be compulsory. Zakat is necessary. You need to discharge the zakat for that wealth, regardless of what form it is and regardless of whether it's being used or not. So these are two fundamental masail regarding gold and silver. And at the same time, I want to mention that you have to also give, so you have to give zakat for gold. You need to give zakat for silver. You need to give zakat if you don't have gold and silver, but you have cash equivalent to the nisab of silver, which I mentioned is approximately $600. And you also need to give zakat for your business goods. Whatever inventory